So yun nangyari dun sa 2002 ba yun? Yung sa Cavite. Hindi si ano yun, hindi si Wei Xuanlin, hindi.
Hindi po si Lin Wishong po.
Yeah, according to you, di ba? Hindi siya. Okay. So dun sa pagdating naman po sa negosyo nyo, kaya kayo nagkaroon ng maraming pera is because of the Pogo, correct?
Mr. Chair, bago pa po may Pogo, may pera na po ang asawa ko.
Okay.
Bago ko po siya nakilala, may pera na po siya.
Alright, so meron siya nung Seanway Technology.
Seanway Technology po.
And one of these Seanway Technology is to service provider, di ba? Ng mga Pogo.
Master license po siya.
Master license.
Opo.
So, can you kindly educate me on that field?
Mr. Chair, ang involvement ko po sa Seanway is again po, sa back office po ako. Yung nag-aayos ng mga papers,
tinatanong ko, tinatanong ko, yung,
sorry po.
yung Seanway Technology.
Yes.
Siyempre, meron kayong 22, di ba? You have so many, 32 name of licensing nyo under your, Seanway. I think Seanway Technology is one of those that was given yung mga subs licensee, correct?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
At nagbibigay kayo ng service provider ng technology doon sa Pogo. Tama?
Tama, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And one of those that you have given your services is yung Oroon Incorporated sa Cagayan de Oro.
Oro One po, Mr.
Oro
Chair.
One, yeah.
Opo.
And that is owned by Tony Yang.
Corporation po yun eh.
Yes,
Wala namang pangalan
pero
po ni Tony Yang.
si Tony Yang,
doon.
Tony Yang, maestrado, di ba? Pakikita namin dokumento, kaso ang dami pa namin kakalkalin dito. But we know that Tony Yang owns itong Oro One Incorporated sa Cagayan de Oro. Ito yung ni-raid eh.
Cagayan de Oro.
Tama?
Po.
Oh, yes, okay.
Pero I don't know po kung na-raid po sila.
Na-raid sila. Nasa news. Hindi ka nagbabasa?
Start po no.
Oh, when was that, when yung sa Porac, when this was raided by PAOK TF and the DILG, were you aware of this raid in the Pogo in Porac?
Mr. Chair, nalaman ko lang po yun through news.
Do you have an interest in Pogo doon sa Porac?
No, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Were there a time that you have asked your COS, Alvin Constantino, na tulungan ka na ilabas yung mga gamit sa Porac?
No, Mr. Chair. Wala po kaming business sa Porac po.
Was there no communication between you
No,
and
Mr.
Alvin
Chair.
Constantino?
No, Mr. Chair.
That you are asking him to find someone from the PNP to help you in order to release all your things, documents, and pertaining to assets in the Porac, Pampanga?
No, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sige, I want to show you something. Can you show me figure 1, please? Ayan. Alvin, sino pwedeng tawagan sa Porac last time na binigay mo? Okay naman. Pero this time, mga need namin kaming ilalabas. Hahanap po ako, ma'am. Then update ko po kayo. And that's Alvin Constantino. And magkano or kami na mag-uusap? Need ko ibang number pag papakausap mo ako. Paggawa kay Ted. Di ba you remember Ted and Alvin? Correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr.
Copy,
Chair.
ma'am. Wait. I'm not done yet.
I'm
I'll
sorry,
give you time.
Mr. Chair.
Okay. Punta tayo sa figure 2. O, ito naman, kausap mo. Ma'am, can I have additional funds for me to be able to file a case? Alvin, gamitin mo na lahat ng connections mo. Busy kami. Yung negosyo namin sa Palawan, kailangan namin gawa ng paraan. Yung sa Clark, yung pinuntahan natin, inaayos na rin namin kasi may tip na ayon sa ang next na pupuntahan. Just call me. Anong need? Magkasama naman tayo mamaya. Figure 3. O, you texted him. Any update? Ma'am, hinintay ko po yung regional director ng Region 3. Sige, ASAP. Si General Rodel Bula, paasap ng number sa Viber at para sa staff ko muna. Tatawag sa kanya. Copy, ma'am. Hanapin ko lang po. Contact number. Send ko sa iyo. And then lastly, Albi, may papalangalan ako sa iyong properties, but we need to talk with my lawyers. Lahat ng mga negosyo namin need matago yung ibang mga properties. dahil mag-start ng mag-freeze ng asset sa PORAC, may advance info naman tayo. May time naman ako para itago yon mga asset. Ipasok ko sa foundation yung iba. Yes, ma'am. Just tell me all the details later sa virtual meeting. You can use me and Ted for your properties. So, are you going to deny this? Ano? Of course, right?
Mr. Chair, talagang i-deny ko po yan dahil wala pong katotohanan.
So, ito yung ano mo, yung Facebook?
Messenger, Mr. Chair, bigyan
Is
ko
that
po kayo.
your Facebook account Messenger? Is that yours? Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, yes.
But, Mr. Chair, let me speak po muna kasi may one instance po na ginaya po yung messenger ko. Ginamit ang pangalan ko. Yes po, that's true po. Nireklamo
Nakita
po
mo yung
namin yan sa
profile pic
Facebook.
mo, Rose?
Yes,
Rose,
Mr.
ayan yung
Chair.
profile pic mo.
Tama po yan.
And all those in conversation with Alvin Constantino, that the same profile pic. Well, anyway, of course you will deny it, correct?
Dahil hindi po totoo yan, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
Mr. Chairman, will be inviting over Mr. Alvin Constantino and Mr. Ted Lazaro in the next hearing, and for us to find out the veracity of the of all of this. Well, allegation din naman to, ano, Rose.
Yes, Mr.
We
Chair.
have to find out the truthfulness, ano, of this allegation as well. And how many licenses do you have? 35?
No, Mr. Chair. One licensee and 9 service provider.
Meron kayo may karoon kayo sa Cagayan, meron kayo sa Palawan, meron kayo sa Clarkfield.
Kapalawan, we don't have po.
Sa Mactan,
Mactan, mayroon po before.
Pasay,
Pasay, mayroon po.
Parañaque.
Parañaque, yes po.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
You have, yes.
Thank you po. Mr. Chair, sakali po ba na mapatunayan ang ginamit po na messenger doon ay peke, maaari niyo po ba akong tulungan para ma-track po yon?
Sure.
Salamat
Rose,
po.
No, don't worry. We will be fair, transparent, and the very purpose of this hearing is to really find out the truth. Hindi naman po kami manggigisa ng tao dito kapag hindi po totoo. But of course, these documents that are being presented to us, the reason why we are trying to present this is to have the validation. Hindi naman po namin kayo pinipin down. But if ever na mapatunayan natin na hindi ito totoo, di mas maganda po para po sa atin lahat.
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Alright. Okay, so